morning, namaste, sat shri akal.
Adab, vanakkam.
Welcome to another episode of BNI podcast. Today we are talking about building relationships, the foundation of every success. Today we are not talking about sales, we are talking about marketing. We are talking about the one thing that builds both relationships.
In BNI, building relationships, it is not a strategy. It's a core value. It's not about exchanging business cards. It's about building trust before transactions.
If business is a building, relationships are the foundation. If business is a journey, relationships are the passport.
And today, we have two powerful industries with us. One that builds physical spaces. The other builds life experiences across the world. Let's explore how relationships build everything.
So with us, we have Mr. Vineet Sethia
Good morning, BNI.
from Jain Builders, a visionary builder. Just construct buildings, but communities.
And we have Mr. Vishal Agarwal
Good morning, BNI.
from Hooray Travels, a travel expert. He does not just book tickets, he builds memories across nations.
Welcome, sir.
Welcome, sir.
And Vineet जी, आपसे एक सवाल पूछना चाहूँगा कि in construction, if the foundation is weak, the building cracks. In business, what is the equivalent of a weak foundation?
The equivalent to a weak foundation is not building trust and not working properly with the norms and rules to run a business smoothly.
We would like to know from you, Vishal ji, कि travel planning में clients actually they trust you with their money, time, family safety. So how do you build that trust with someone who has never traveled with you or never have actually come to you before?
So this is a great question. My maximum business comes from referral. So client कभी भी मेरे पास आता है तो वो ऑलरेडी मेरे बारे में R&D करके आता है कि हाउ सर्विस आई गिव, हाउ आई मेंटेन माय क्लाइंट. सो वो ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयर रहता है कि मेरे साथ आगे बिजनेस करेगा. तो दिस इज माय ग्रेट अचीवमेंट आफ्टर जॉइनिंग BNI.
That's wonderful to hear the word referrals. क्योंकि अगर किसी के बारे में आने से पहले ही इतना अगर अच्छा बातचीत चल रहा हो शहर में तो फिर भरोसा तो ऐसे ही आ जाता है. Wonderful, wonderful. We are so happy to hear that answer from you, and that is the truth. So
like Vineet ji said, people don't buy apartments, they buy trust.
and about Vishal ji, I would say they don't buy your packages. है ना, travel packages नहीं है. They buy assurance and they create memories. That's wonderful.
So Vineet ji, आपसे एक सवाल है कि how many of your projects sales came from repeat clients or referrals?
As our business is only a trustworthy business because people buy a home for their need in a lifetime, one achievement it is. So maximum sales of our projects are coming from repeated customers referrals because all satisfied customer only refer us to their families and for purchasing new homes. So as our projects are like that, if people need a trusted partner for their dream home, so we get the maximum business from our repeated client referrals.
So you are building a relationship with your older clients to get the new clients.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
That's amazing.
Wonderful. विशाल सर, जब कोई टिकट आपसे या फिर एक ट्रैवल प्लानिंग पूरा एक टूर पैकेज करते हैं तो डू यू एक्सिक्यूट और गिव मोर इम्पोर्टेंस टू द परफेक्शन ऑफ द प्लान या उनका इमोशनल एश्योरेंस, किस में आप वर्क करते हैं?
ऑब्वियसली इमोशनल एश्योरेंस, उनको क्या चाहिए, उनका रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है. जब तक उनका इमोशंस नहीं समझेंगे परफेक्शन कैसे आएगा, आई नहीं सकता.
Amazing, absolutely correct, and that's what every person looks forward, I think. Thank you.
Let's move on to a rapid fire round. Vineet ji, trust या profit?
Trust,
Long term client या fast deal?
long term client,
Contract या commitment?
commitment,
Reputation या revenue?
reputation.
And one word for BNI.
BNI is a platform for learning and I have learned many things from BNI.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. वो rapid fire एकदम rapid ही था, right? So coming to Vishal ji now, luxury that impresses or loyalty that lasts.
Loyalty that lasts.
Wonderful. Online convenience या personal connection that reassures.
Obviously, personal connection is the best.
Thank you. आप क्या choose करेंगे? Selling a destination or understanding a traveler's dream?
Understanding a traveler's dream.
Amazing. Solving problems or preventing them before they happen?
Obviously, preventing them before they happen.
So one word for BNI would be?
A great learning organization. Here, वो सच है कि learning is never-ending learning is the best part of BNI. आपका business का growth ज़्यादा matter करता है success से.
Amazing answers, and I think this is all emotionally connecting. Relationship के बारे में आज बात कर रहे हैं तो यहाँ विनीत भैया का जैन बिल्डर्स में I think people are always looking for not मकान but घर, and यहाँ खाली travel नहीं, अपना dreams और अपना अरमाने, you know, like through those to build memories. It's wonderful answers that we are receiving today. And moving to,
जैसे हम BNI में बोलते हैं ना, we don't chase customers, we cultivate relationships and customers follow. तो इन दोनों दो हैं हमारे सामने, जैन बिल्डर्स एंड ऑनलाइन ट्रैवल एजेंसी, दोनों का मोटो यही है कि पहले रिलेशनशिप बनाओ, कस्टमर्स अपने आप आएंगे, और तभी ये आज तक हमारे कटक के एक दिग्गज हैं, नाम है इनका। मैं आपसे यही पूछना चाहूँगा, दोनों से इनफैक्ट ये पूछना चाहूँगा, इफ़ योर क्लाइंट्स डिस्क्राइब्ड यू इन वन वर्ड, व्हाट यू वांट इट टू बी?
The most trusted and time delivery bound bill developer with clear marketable titles.
विशाल जी?
Obviously, a trusted travel partner.
thank you so much. Yes, so trust is coming in every
Trust,
answer. that we
trust
can
is the best way to be on a business.
Yes, we love that. So we would really like to say, you know, like business moves at the speed of trust, and trust grows at the speed of relationships. So relationships and trust then coming to business. That is how these two amazing leaders have been creating. And now let's begin with this small question about mindset. See, you have been running your business before BNI and as well as after BNI. So we would like to hear some responses from you, both of you, कि BNI में join करने के बाद how this platform has helped in your personal or maybe business growth, how this platform has been a catalyst to this journey of yours.
तो मेरे तरफ से नो डाउट बिजनेस मिला रेफरल से, बिजनेस को एक्सपैंड करने का आइडिया मेरे को BNI से मिला. लाइक लर्निंग इज़ एवरीथिंग. सो सबसे बड़ा लर्निंग यही था, बिजनेस को कैसे एक्सपैंड किया जाए, हाउ टू डेलीगेट, हाउ टू मेक लीडर्स टू बी, और मतलब आप अपने जगह और बड़े हो, आप अपने नीचे लीडर्स बनाओगे तभी जाके आप बढ़ोगे.
What a wonderful concept. Expansion. एक लीडर थे आप खुद और आप दूसरे लीडर्स को आज खड़ा कर रहे हो. So that is amazing. Amazing values that BNI is giving. Vineet Bhaiya.
BNI has taught me about basically 4-5 things I've taken into consideration after joining BNI. एक है time punctuality. You should know the value of your time, because time is everything, and when time passes, we regret. So it has made me learn that to be punctual and be on time. That is the first thing. Second thing, as Vishal already told, कि you make leaders. You should not work. You should make people work with you. So you can, if you create good leaders or you create a good team of yours, then you will get more opportunities. And as always, learning never ends. So you should keep learning, keep progressing, keep developing and keep growing. So BNI has transformed us in that way, and we are happy to be a part of BNI Achievers Cuttack. Thank you.
We'll say relationships are not built in one meeting. They are built in consistency. They are not built through perfection. They are built through authenticity together.
In BNI, we don't just grow businesses, right? we grow people. And when
People grow, businesses follow.
Thank you so much. Your network actually determines your growth. That's what BNI has taught us. And through this simple core value, your relationships that determine not just your business, but I think it is about your legacy that you are actually making in Greater Odisha in BNI Achievers. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Tune to for our next episode. That's all for today. This is Vikash Agarwal from Savitri Industries signing off.
And this is Shrija from Happy Days Play School and Academy. Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much. टेक अवे अपना लाइफ का जो BNI का जर्नी से देना चाहेंगे.
Positive attitude.
Amazing. And Vishal ji, आपका वो one key takeaway क्या होगा हमारा?
Lifelong learning.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. With a positive attitude, with lifelong learning, we can build relationships that last for a long time. Thank you so much. Signing off for today. Meet you again in our next episode. Thank you.
Thank you.